Good morning. It looks like there's a little bit of confusion here, and including how to scroll here on one of the discussion prompts, 2.6. Let me show you how it works. Pretty easy to find it in the module here. I don't think anybody's having that trouble if you click on the discussion. But if you want to respond, you go to the below each video, and then you can put your response in the box there. Similarly here, just hit reply in the lower left-hand corner of the video and hit respond, and that should tally your responses, okay? So sometimes the navigation can be a little bit confusing. I imagine somebody may have hit reply there and then wondered how that works, but in any case, if somebody was confused, pretty simple. Open the discussion, scroll down to the video, hit reply on the lower left-hand button inside the video. Hope this helps.